Good morning.
Kalimera.
Kalimera. Whenever I just remind me of Kalimera, there was the famous TV weather presenter who was so broadcaster, so happy and singing and dancing. Kalimera, Kalimera.
My God, it's a beautiful, nice, sunny weather today. It's actually our last day in Zakynthos.
Full last day because
Full
tomorrow
last day.
morning at 7:20 we go to the airport.
It's
So
sad,
sad.
but what I can say that I definitely really enjoy Zakynthos. It seems
Me
like
too. I just wake up.
yeah, it seems like the Bali vibe where I'm originally from is here. You know, the beach, the island hopping, the food, the people. I would like to say a huge thanks to the Greek people here. They are really friendly. You
And
know, you can feel like the hospitality there is totally different level. I can say.
That's the thing. And saying that's only one island. There are many islands, popular islands. That's only Zakynthos.
Yes.
There is Mykonos. There is Corfu,
Milos.
Crete,
Yeah.
many others. Continental Greece also.
Oh, can you hear the sound of the birds in the morning? Right. So we are heading for the breakfast. And because we are here for the all-inclusive hotel.
And we're having a car extended for another day. So we're gonna explore. Because, you know, we came for all-inclusive and we really enjoy the food, breakfast, lunch, dinner and drinks in between. Even we are not drinking alcohol. I know many people go for all-inclusive for alcohol. We actually didn't have anything alcoholic yet. But generally speaking, we really do enjoy it. But we use all-inclusive as the tool. This was good value. A lot of food, you know, everything included, but we still explore because we are travelers. We are not I'm not gonna stay here on the sunbed all day since morning till night, you know.
Yeah, the first day just because of the weather is not good.
Only this.
And the thing is that what I like here is, especially in Silogi, from the breakfast viewpoint, you can see that island next door, and it's beautiful sitting on the mountain. It reminds me of the Sanur in Bali.
Because the vibe is feel like that.
So the thing is that Damian took me travel for 2.5 hours, but I already feeling like enough. I mean, I feel like I recharge. I got recharge of missing, homesick or something. But here I feeling like it's enough. You don't need to take me for many hours traveling
Back
to back home. But here I already feel like home. I don't know why. Greece make me feel like home.
Okay, let's go have a breakfast.
The island vibe, that's what I really like the most. Why? The first word that I can say, I already feel like home. Will we repeat and come back here again? 100% sure kohanya.
Really? All Zakynthos are different island in Greece.
Maybe different island. Oh, look at this. Sun, kiss, salty hair, and what I need. This is already what I'm looking for.
Saying the most important thing is as we are happy. Happy wife, happy life.
And happy husband.
No, let's go. That's the island actually. Looks really some familiar. Yeah?
Right, so it's time to exploring again. We are active because nice weather today. So yes, kohanya, we will go to the Zakynthos Town, which is the old town here in the Zakynthos, and then we'll exploring and see what they offer, or just like a day of day of exploring under the sun. Nice weather,
Nice weather, nice. Today is very beautiful weather. Just enjoy the driving because here you can find
the driving here is so enjoyable. Small road. So because Damian used to live in Bali, used to live with the island life. So nas pokoknya kohanya.
Like it is so chill.
Kohanya really like the driving here.
No, it's very cool. Show the map, show the road.
Yes. So the road is like this.
Then turn right.
Nice.
Yes, in front of us is the beach.
Right.
Oh, nice.
Actually nice.
Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this. Oh, wow.
1.5 kilometers.
Nice.
Beautiful, baby.
Beautiful.
Nice.
But again, you need to have a car to see stuff like this.
Yeah,
That's why you have to rent it. Worth it, worth it.
oh my god, it's so
Nice.
pretty.
This is Zakynthos Town, little bit like a split, no?
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Nice. Right?
Nice, beautiful.
We are heading to the Zakynthos Town.
Alright, so we just park our wee ride here. And it's nice actually, some sort of harbor, people driving ATV, some there is nice gallery. This is Zakynthos Old Town, check this out. Ciao, young!
So we are heading to the Zakynthos Old Town, Zakynthos Old Town. So Old Town is over there, I read. So this here is the promenade. Nice, overviewing the Mediterranean Sea, Ionian Sea, something like that. So look at that. Nice.
Where? Zobaczymy.
There on the hills.
Nice. Beautiful. We will have a look. What's going on around? There is city, also there is the town. And there is something old. And the water.
This is what we need. Sun, sea breeze, and enjoying the old market square.
What's that? I just already started.
Right, Calimera. So we just arrived at Zakynthos Old Town. We will explore the old market square and see what the old market square is. And here is the Zakynthos, the port, kochanie.
So it's the main Zakynthos city, Solomos Square,
Solomos Square.
Marina, some yachts, some boats, some ferries, because also you can easily get to the continental Greece actually from here and other island. And yeah, we will show you. At least weather is already beautiful. Not too hot, but it's also not so chilly. So this is the Solomos Square. Solomos.
Solomos Square. Right. So it's maybe because of, you know, this is the holiday season starting. It's not all the restaurant opening, but I think slowly.
Slowly,
But you can feel the vibe that the tourists are here already.
And somewhere there is the restaurant, cafe, shop, strip. Maybe we're gonna have a look. And then will be marina there. So we are entering the square in Zakynthos, or Zante, because they call it two names of the city. Zante is old name, Zakynthos is newer name. Sorry, it's a little bit windy, so maybe a little bit of distractions. Didn't took the microphones. Have to forgive me for that. Either way, that's the actually old town where there are restaurants, tavernas, coffee bars, and yeah, and funny Citroen car. Actually, let's see what's going on here. You see the happy seller try to sell you something, invite you for coffee. Nice traditional taverna bar and everything. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Like this one, actually inviting already for coffee, nie?
Kopi dulu.
Kopi dulu.
Rokok dulu.
No, tak. They like smoke cigarettes and they like coffee culture. Maybe it's not as strong as in Italy or Croatia or Croatia or Spain, but there is still. So that's nice. Yeah, we're gonna have a
It's slowly waking up.
slowly waking up.
Yesterday's like it.
No, the decorations actually are so like in Bali with coconut.
Price in euro, not in euro.
Just in euro. And the bottle open. No.
Same, but different.
Same but different. But nice. This is like an old town. Little bit different old town than other European cities old town. So that was the promenade section and the restaurant like this one. It's pretty warm actually dzisiaj already today. And this one, nice architecture. This is like a square now. Like a proper one. With the city hall, I guess. Some Greek wording, obelisks. Magnets, you know, souvenirs, shops. Yeah, I think this is like a proper square here, Of course, smaller with the stone. We were in the church, Catholic church actually, nice. And now a little bit of architecture, walking, beautiful sky and everything actually.
Oh, that was so funny.
Right, that's the thing. Alright,
It's pretty.
pretty. And we go there with the more action actually. Let's go. But the weather today, Sayang, lovely.
So lovely.
Look at this funny bike. That's the situation there. And this is walking street. So many old cars actually here. A new one also. And then bikes, more motorbikes here, huh? Okay, Jim. We can go, let us go. And this is the situation of the walking street here. With the many restaurants, coffee bars, and the other situations. Beautiful, isn't it?
So let's stroll around. This is actually the street where you can eat, shop. Oh, look at that
Hot dog.
cat. Hot dog. So big and fluffy. Nice. I think that the Kotek is your main attraction.
Okay.
And then-
Actually, a lot of cats here, huh? Many Kotek cats.
And the thing is that, oh look, this is like the shopping mecca.
Shopping Mecca in Zakynthos. Nice dress for the ladies viewers.
Yeah, made in India.
Made in India. What's the price? What's the price?
30 euro.
30 euro. Nice.
Sakit, no?
Ah. And many nice products here. And the architecture. And overall very easygoing vibe. Calm down. Nice. What did you fancy? Don't you? This is similar to Ubud, no?
No, look like old style, no?
No, little bit. The price is little bit higher, I guess.
25 euro.
Okay.
No, but 100,000 rupiah. This is like 2 euro. 3 euro? 5 euro?
Kind of like that.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Cute.
But different content. Oh, look about Jadek. They playing some Greek game. Nice. Souvenirs.
Coba cek. Jadek here have a nice life in the morning. Kopi dulu,
Rokok dulu.
talking, gossiping.
That's life lah. Slowly lah. Oh, little Alice there. That's how does it look like. Yeah, umbrella is cute, ne? No. A nice chair. Nice decoration. Nice. Doing something different. There's also construction sites. Time to time. Scarves. The only one is a lot of this eye symbol, yeah?
I think that's a Greek symbol, no?
Some Greek mythology maybe, I don't know.
Zobacz.
Yeah. And I know this kind of candles actually.
I think we sell it in the spa.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Lazio, Rome. There you can go actually to the beach. We'll go there actually. Promenade. Let's throw a little bit still on the main old town in Zakynthos city center. Overall, I'm gonna tell you the situation here in Greece, in Zakynthos, but I believe in many Greece cities, maybe except the big cities like Athens or Thessaloniki. It's so chill, easygoing, island vibe, like we said actually, and we said before. That's why it reminds us so much of Bali, because it's so just simply easygoing. But with Euro. That's the biggest difference. But overall, it's still pretty affordable actually, because Greece not belongs to the super expensive countries. Yeah.
Except Santorini that is offered.
Okay, Santorini is overrated, so, and it's really expensive actually. Yeah. All right, let's go. So this is strolling a little bit of the city, like a pretty long stroll actually. There are even some even nice brands here. Overall, peaceful walking street. Little bit more busy. I think it's busier each day we are here actually.
Yes, I think that the more, the better the weather, sunnier, I think that the busier.
I think so. Overall, look like this one. enjoyable. People rent Airbnb here, actually. Whew. Last time I think we filmed like this when we were in Spain, no?
Yes, Spain last year we were in Horvatia.
Croatia last year. And many other videos you can find out from Europe and also from Asia. But last time similar vibe was in Spain, actually. Earlier this way here in January, end of January actually. More actually old town. This walking street is pretty long and many people enjoying their time actually. That's nice.
Nice.
Nice. Generally it's very nice. Also kids. Lacoste. Yeah. It's actually pretty nice. Walking street. It's quieter actually than in Spain, that's for sure. Quieter than in Croatia. But also there's so many islands in Greece, maybe that's why. So people like split, go here, go there.
Nice. Look at this.
The flags, beautiful blue sky. What is this? That's actually something different. Winnie actually really likes these blue flags. I mean the colorful flags like this one at the background. Okay, then you can go. Oh, nice actually, little street. Then there's the beach actually. There, I mean beach, the marina, and really cool architecture. That's like a boutique shops here. And this kind of flags. So calm. Oh, there is another church actually at the front of us. Some nice church, little church actually. There is actually the mountain there. Then on the other side will be water, little pond. What's happening? Okay. Some street food, huh? Some cooking. They're really famous for turtles here also, that's why so many turtles. There is continuation of the street. And there. Okay, let's go a little bit more further and we go back by the water, okay? Did you see actually the mountain on the other side? The mountain, like a cliff on the other side?
No.
No? There is like this.
Look, it's so colorful, Kohani.
No, they're actually very nice. This one is cool. Somebody created, yeah? Nice. Actually. Zion, you happy? You came to Greece?
Nice.
€1 magnets. Sandal.
Look at
Some morning street situation, morning honks, selling something. I like when they honk. Oh, this is what I miss a little bit sometimes actually. Also, yeah, that's true. Sometimes, yes. Oh, see? Motorbike honk. Then the cars honk. I like when they honk. Oh, see? Because the guys just put on the emergency lights and they go coffee la. Nice. That's the little bit of hectic life. Okay, let's go to the waterfront.
Babja, already go for coffee. Make the traffic.
No, literally, that's what she did actually. Alright, so we are back to the waterfront. People still honking actually, that's cool. Sounds good. And overall that's the architecture, traffic, and the rest of the city. One ferry is gone, water is blue. Yeah, so a little bit around. Oh, that's the Jimny what we used to drive actually. That's actually the cabrio one. That's the Katana, I think. Yeah, overall, like this one. Chill vibe. Oh, guy driving, no helmet, no problem. Another guy, no. If somebody tell me it's not even little bit similar to Bali style, I will say like, come on.
wherever you go, as long as the island, either in Asia, in Europe, you know, it's just like island vibe, laid back, no helmet, no problem. It's just yeah.
Actually, they are more chilled here than even in Bali, because in Bali I will be already on Instagram somewhere as I drive no helmet. Here they just don't care. We decide we're gonna go back to pick up the car somewhere there and go to the other side of this promenade, because seriously it's actually pretty far. Have to save our energy, and there are some fishermen boats. Maybe they sell fish, maybe they eating actually even. Check this out. Check this out.
You can have a fresh seafood there.
No. Yeah. You can have it fresh seafood. Cool, huh? Something different. This one I didn't expect this, like this, that you can actually buy fish and sit on the fisherman boat and he will bakar for you. I mean grill it. That's actually cool. That's actually something different.
This is like the fishing market on the fishing boat.
Yeah. You're right. Nice. That's actually something different. Yeah, a little bit for tourists, of course. I move 100%, but still nice. Yeah, nice. That's how the things in Greece going. Here we have a boat. Welcome to Saint-Tropez, but in Greece. Arsana, French bandera.
It's just like the one that what is it called? Danza Kuduro.
Danza Kuduro, welcome to Saint-Tropez. Actually, they also with the yachting here. Baby, where we are going now?
We are going to the my market.
So that's my market.
Our friend Kachpa recommend me to go here to go shopping.
Okay, let's have a look. Some supermarket. Lunchy time. Turkey, fish, beef, pizza, tzatziki, cola, sparkling water, sayang.
This is the thing why we never eat outside. Maybe for those of you maybe staying in the apartment or other hotels, not staying in all inclusive. We used to be like that. But I think this is the perks of all inclusive. You just come back from the, you know, excursion a day out for lunch and then we're going out again.
That's the thing.
This is the perks. Nice.
Smacznego.
And the food. Come on.
Smacznego, sayang.
Kochani, so we are heading to kind of a beach.
Beach club.
Beach club.
It's opportunity to see beach club. We're going to see beach club. There is the water at the front, the mountain, different island. Feels like we're driving in Uluwatu, like literally 11 to 12 or whatever you say. Because there are like some establishments here and there, hotels,
restaurant,
tavern, small roads, flower, palm tree, water, small roads, houses, dry. So look very, very, very familiar. And chill vibe of to Hong, the Greek small road.
Kochani, now it's 30 degrees, kochani.
Show the roads.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Vidis? Ah, nice spot, eh? There will be the beach club somewhere. Nice.
There's the island.
What nice vibes, isn't it? And the color of the water.
Nice.
The mountain, wavy. But there's no surfers in Zakynthos, no?
Oh, it's chill.
Okay. And driving here, like I said,
We just, my god. Okay, we arrived on the beach.
nice vibe.
Nice vibe here. Nice. Look at that. White sandwich.
So we arrived to the Coral Beach Club and Restaurant. However, I think it's not open yet for a season, sayang. No, it's not open yet, sayang. So what's now?
Maybe we should go to the place where the babcha and jadek there in the corner.
Okay.
You
Oh, you
want?
see, they don't open yet, sayang. Sorry, baby.
Okay. Let's walk to the beach first.
Maybe they open in June, sayang, because they're working now on it.
Let's go there.
Okay, but we will still show you around, maybe. So the sun is actually very white and very soft. Pity as this place is closed because had a really great reviews actually, and unfortunately it's still closed. But the beach, color of the water, the island, and overall everything looks good. It's windy though, but it is how it is. Just too early, and it's clean beach and nice. No, but little bit of the sound of the Mediterranean Sea for our audience with the wind.
Very nice. Soft.
And soft beach. It's just not open yet.
Yes.
Not yet, too early. Huh?
The color of the water.
No, the color of the water is just beautiful. So GQS, this one is still closed. The Coral Beach Club, we decided to go to this restaurant in the corner there where was so many people, and nice the shed with the flags over there somewhere. Well, yeah, there's somewhere there. It's gonna be nice. Maybe we're gonna get some coffee and just hang out. That's the Kefalonia or Kefalonia croissant. Yeah. And on the other side from our hotel you see the continental Greece actually from the swimming pool area. Alright, let's go. So it's off season, is very quiet. Some people may like it actually. And warm enough but chilly. I mean it's not hot, it's warm. That's actually my kind of vibe. So here we came from this road, and this is actually very nice looking restaurant in the corner. Neraida restaurant beach something, and they have also loungers for 15 euro for 2 sunbeds, one umbrella. A nice tropical vibe generally. Let's see, the problem is what you find out is quite windy, and the problem is here for the sayang, as for windy means masuk angin and then kerokan. So little bit complicated situation, and we are actually planning, because it's nice tropical vibe here and it's beautiful weather. Tomorrow we're going back to Poland anyways, so we are thinking as we have a car, maybe we're gonna go back to Kerry because it's on the other side of the island and the wind is smaller just simply over there. It's a little bit different looking, maybe less tropical and more stone-ish, but at least it's not windy in Kerry, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we're gonna do it.
Let's go to the Kerry.
Maybe we're gonna do it Kerry. Let's see. So like I said, this side of the beach is nice. This is feels like expat area, by the way. Expat, nomads kind of things. Not so tourist, because you don't actually not much is selling on this beach actually here, right? Normally will be so many stuff. You have 2 or 3 restaurants, the one beach club which actually is preparing for the season, a little bit of the harbor, and after that it's not much going on. So it's nice vibe, nice beach actually, but slightly windy. So let's see.
I think that windy is everywhere, but I don't know, the vibe what I see is I prefer to have a Kerry beach. Yesterday where we go, because a Kerry beach is under the tree, there is a shade there.
Nice vibe.
Nicer kohanya. I don't know. Let's go.
Let's go. Unfortunately, the beach club is closed. There is only one beach club. It's Banana. What's the name? Banana Beach Club.
Banana bar.
But it's like very fancy one or something like
posh
this.
one.
Very posh one, and the only one on the island. So it's like minimum spends, all the stuff. Not really into it, especially as we are full, completely like eating in the hotel all the time. And also not really into the Shins vibe. I mean, yeah, kind of. So let's try.
So this is us actually. We like to, discover something like a bitten off the path. Look at this.
Yeah, going some through villages, and that's nice church. Something very unique.
And see a different architecture.
Village, small village here. Local vibe, off beaten track. The bus is not coming here.
Nice.
Eventually the island is that small as we come back to the same spot for espresso.
I think this is our favorite restaurant for the coffee. Kind of the cafe bar or something, like facing. I don't know, this spot, Kerry Beach, is just remind me like Phuket, remind me like the, island in between the island like that. This is what I like in Kerry Beach.
Even just to having a coffee and chill.
Yes, exactly.
Sayank is trying the work into the water because she didn't go to the water. But it's zimno. It's cold. It's cold. No, it's not. It's not Asia though. Oi. Cold? For the walking on the water, cola.
Nice.
But at least sunny.
Huh?
Sunny, salty hair.
I just put this one, leave it. Let it, I bring this one.
No, look. That's the thing. At least it's nice to see. Just the water is still in the May, it's too cold. That's why the European holidays are July. Was our wee ride.
Right, so because this is the last day of us and tomorrow we will fly back to Poland. Our favorite beach is Kerry Beach. We were before in the white sand beach, it's got Alikanas, but because of strong wind and strong current, so yeah, we just want to be very slow and easy. Now we are going to the shopping center. Interestingly, only one Lidl in this island and also one Carrefour. Let's see how it is.
Let's go.
Then when we are leaving, the weather is becoming like really hot.
It's just like
Each
a 30
hour,
degree, no?
each day is getting warmer and warmer. And actually, I'm somehow happy as we came when it was still chilly a little bit because it's gonna be 40 degrees. That's too hot. And also a funny story about this Carrefour. We passed Lidl. We were in Lidl, but nothing interesting there. And somewhere where is this? Like literally 10 meters behind this corner, we said, oh, this is the Carrefour, let's go. And I just quickly boom, okay, right, parking spot done. Alright, let's take a look.
This area is actually not tourist area, and our style is that we like to explore, off a beaten path. It's just like the expat.
That's why we extend the car for another day. That's why we stroll around.
And that's a little bit of the street situation on the main street somewhere in actually this city. I don't know actually what's the city. Is it Zakynthos Town or something? But generally that's how it looks like. And some shops around. Okay, let's go to Carrefour. That's the Carrefour. It doesn't look big though. Don't get me wrong. Let's have a look inside. So that's the shop inside the Carrefour. Doesn't look very big. It's more like in Albania shops, small. Some drink selection, some Coca-Cola selection, 90 cents. Some beers. Overall, the shop is not so big. What's happened? Coffee? Yeah.
Shopping in this island is just like this. Only €2 something, but the experience. The thing is about the experience, again, about the island life. The thing is that I remember that Damian today bought the petrol. Also, there is one guy working there as someone who give the petrol, right?
Yeah, like
island life.
Island life. Like last time, actually, that was in Asia. Somebody buy us fill gas to the tank because in Europe nobody do it. In Albania maybe, but we didn't drive a car there. In Croatia already alone. You do it yourself, self-service.
Like self-service. Here there is somebody to do it. Same, but different. One thing about traveling for me is that you explore a different country, see and experience different lifestyle. The travel is about that. Broaden your horizon, get new knowledge, new life experience.
Exactly. Even we came all inclusive, it's just the base. Okay, it's nice to have a lots of food and you don't need to bother about this one. It was cheaper than going alone, actually organizing everything. But we still rent a car, drive around. We make 260 kilometers on this small island, but 30 kilometers is from the one coast to another. In 2 days I make 260 kilometers. By the way, 30 euro for petrol all over the coast. I don't know where we go. We just here, there, shop here, shop there.
Maybe as a tourist, you just go and then you
With the guide.
go with the guide and everything, listen to the tour guide. I think that I
That's-
don't want to be that kind of the travel style, but for us it's just like we do something independently on our style.
Always. We back to the hotel, going to the beach. We'll show you one more time because last time when we filmed here, it was actually cloudy, so now it's sunny. So we'll show you. Yes, actually, there is nice. Actually, hotel facing directly to the Mediterranean Sea. It's funny with the squats, but will be like back pain, eh? Gonna be dinner soon, but we wanna go to the beach. Actually, as you see, to the beach. Swimming situation, hotel situation, one more time. Actually, the sunset is gonna be shortly, maybe not shortly, but soon. So we're going to the beach and then we're gonna have a dinner. One more view. Actually, when it's look beautiful blue sky, looks a little bit different perspective, but we have already video about the hotel.
It's very high tide, and then that's the island, as the background.
There is island. Actually, I will zoom it for you just in case. That's the one island, Kefalonia. And when you have a swimming pool here, there, behind the actually restaurant and bar, there, that's the continental Greece, actually. When is today? Last day, actually. Last sunset, let's say. We're going tomorrow at 7:20. It's going to the airport at 9:55. We have a flight. It's getting warmer. Little bit unlucky situation with the weather. However, nothing to complain about.
But I think that the thing that we when we arriving here, like the first day has to be like rest, right?
So actually, the
Because
weather for the
Poland-
rest was good.
Yes, the Poland weather is totally different, and here even in the same Europe, right, Kahani?
Yeah.
Poland was a very cold, and arrive here is slightly warmer. So the thing that we just need to a day of adjustment.
Yeah, they just and also we work quite a lot, so a little bit of rest is good.
And then a days of explore.
Yeah, that's the thing. To show you a little bit of the beach situation one more time here during the nice weather. And that's the beach club situation here, where you have to pay for the loungers, even if it belongs to the hotel. Not too many people actually, but if people are here, even they are usually not coming from the this hotel, because there are also a lot of hotels who have no access to the beach.
So I can say that there are many is actually the beach bar or beach clubs here. We plan to go to the Banana Beach Club that is advertised in the airport, but I was just thinking like another beach club, and I prefer to explore it as like a slow, chill, and then slow pace. Right?
Slow pace. All right, let's go.